हेलो गाइस, आप सभी का स्वागत है लॉकडाउन स्पेशल क्लासेस में। आज हम लोग मोशन चैप्टर का 6th पार्ट पढ़ने वाले हैं। पिछले पार्ट में हमने डेरिवेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को सीखा था। नाउ कम ऑन द टॉपिक द डेरिवेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन बाय द ग्राफिकल मेथड। लास्ट टाइम हमने सिंपल मेथड ओनली सीखा था। नाउ दिस टाइम वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ग्राफिकल मेथड ऑफ derivation of equation of motion. In the derivation of equation of motion by the graphical method, we use a simple graph or the velocity time graph. We know the time is the independent quantity and the velocity is the dependent quantity. Consider a body is moving with velocity u at t is equals to 0. It means whenever the time will be the 0, the velocity of the object u. So graph will start from this point. From origin to that part, the velocity will be the u and time will be the 0. Velocity will be the u and time will be the 0. Then body changes its velocity from u to v, and whenever the velocity changes, there will be an acceleration. So body accelerate from this point for the time period t. For the time period t. So here we can define the value of the time by using this graph, and we can draw some lines like this in this graph. So here we find that this is the initial velocity u and this one is the final velocity v from origin. The slope of the graph, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, the slope of the graph defines the acceleration, the term acceleration. That part is that equals to the time period of the motion of the body. Okay, now we will give some points, some names to each point: A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the simple graphical system in which x-axis shows the time, whereas y-axis shows the velocity. Initially, object moved with the velocity, initial velocity u at t is equals to 0, and then velocity changes from u to v. So there will be an acceleration take place. The slope of the graph shows the acceleration. So this is the simple graphical view of the motion of the body. Now come on the derivation of first equation of motion, which is the v is equals to u plus at. This is also known as the velocity time relationship. Now इसका अब हम प्रूफ करेंगे v is equals to u plus at का। कैसे हम ग्राफिकल मेथड का यूज करके इसको हम प्रूफ करते हैं? तो सिंपली ये तो आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी v है, दिस इज द टाइम पीरियड, और ये आप हटा सकते हैं बिकॉज ओरिजिन है ऑलरेडी। Now explanation of this v is equals to u plus at. So simple derivation of first equation of motion is that the slope of the graph, the slope of the velocity time graph shows the acceleration. क्या शो करता है हमें? Acceleration. The slope of the velocity time graph shows the acceleration. So simply whenever the slope of the velocity time graph shows the acceleration, it means the slope will be the EC. Slope will be the EC. And slope, which is equals to the acceleration, and we know the value of acceleration. Slope को हम ऐसे भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, it is the ratio of CV to EB. We know the EB is equals to the time period, and CV, what is the value of the CV? हम यहाँ देखते हैं the value of DO is B, so the value of CA also B. Whereas the value of EO is U, so value of AB is also U. So the value of CV will be V minus U. So this is the value of CV. Now put this value in this equation. Slope will be equals to the acceleration. CV is equals to the v minus u, and EV is equals to the t, which is equal to the part of the x-axis EV. Then we can find AT is equals to v minus u and v is equals to u plus AT. So this is the derivation of first equation of motion. Because the slope of the VT graph shows the acceleration and slope will be the EC, or we can define also the slope, the ratio of CV to the EV, and then we can find the first equation of motion, or we can say the velocity time relationship. So this is the derivation of first equation of motion. Now come on the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is S is equals to ut plus half at square, and this equation also known as the position time relationship. अब इसका हमें डेरिवेशन कैसे सॉल्व आउट करना है बाय द ग्राफिकल मेथड हम ये देखते हैं. अगर हम इस पार्ट को देखते हैं, इस वाले पार्ट को, दिस इज कंप्लीटली सिमिलर टू द शेप ट्रेपेजियम. ये वाला पार्ट, ये शेप है ट्रेपेजियम की, और अगर हम इसके दो पार्ट कर लेते हैं तो द जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है और द बिलो पार्ट looks like a rectangle, whereas the upper part looks like the triangle. Now as we know, सिंपल सी बात मैं आपको एक बताता हूं. अगर मैं एक VT ग्राफ बनाता हूं और एक सिंपल लाइन खींचता हूं यहां पर, और मैं इसका एरिया फाइंड करना चाहता हूं, इस लाइन का मैं अगर एरिया फाइंड करना चाहता हूं, तो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया इज द v into t. हम लेंथ और इसकी जो ब्रेथ है दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे, v into t, and we know very well the product of velocity and time gives the displacement. It means the area below the slope of the velocity time graph gives the displacement. हमें ये बात याद रखनी है, the area below the velocity time graph gives displacement or distance. Now अब हमें इस इक्वेशन को फाइंड आउट करना है, तो हमें ये एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा सिंपली. तो हम यहाँ पे एरिया को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. एरिया को हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देखें. Now there are two types of figure. First one is rectangle and second one is the triangle. So area of triangle plus area of rectangle will be equals to the displacement. अभी बताया मैंने. And the displacement is S. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Base will be the EB and height is CB. Plus the area of rectangle is EO into OA. Now put the values of these. So EB will be equals to the time and CB is equals to the V minus U. हमने इसे पहले भी यूज करा. Now EO is the U equals to the U, and the value of OA will be equals to the T. So we get the equation UT, U into T, plus half T V minus U. Now by using the first equation of motion क्या है हमारी, V is equals to U plus AT. So यहाँ से V minus U की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, is equals to AT. Put this value in the above equation, so we can find S is equals to UT plus half T into AT, and we can derive the second equation of motion, half AT square. So this is the derivation by graphical method. Derivation of second equation of motion by the graphical method. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. सो बहुत इजी है, हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है अलग अलग ट्राइंगल का एंड रेक्टेंगल का, और दोनों को एड अप कर देना है एंड वी कैन फाइंड द सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. So this is the simple derivation of second equation of motion. Now come on the third equation of motion, derivation of third equation of motion. Here you can see the third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. This is the third equation of motion and we can say the velocity position relationship. अब इसको कैसे डिफाइन करें? सिमिलरली कोई वही मेथड यूज करेंगे. वी नो एरिया ऑफ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ क्या देता है हमें? गिव्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अब पिछली इक्वेशन में हमने दोनों का अलग अलग यूज करा था एरिया, अब यहाँ पे कंबाइन एरिया का यूज करेंगे. द शेप लुक्स लाइक अ ट्रेपेजियम एंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज हाफ sum of parallel side. It means CA plus EO. CA plus EO into height. Height will be the AO. ये ट्रेपेजियम की तरह होगा. अगर हम इस शेप को कुछ ऐसे टर्न कर ले 90 डिग्री पे तो ये शेप कुछ ऐसी हो जाएगी हमारी. मैं यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी बना देता हूं इस तरीके से, which is the shape of the trapezium, where this is the AC, this is the OE. Okay, now area will be the sum of parallel side. It means CA plus EO half into height AO, which is equals to the AO. Now put the and this one completely equals to the displacement. Now put the values of these parts. CA will be equals to the V, EO equals to the U, AO is equals to the height will be the time, and S. Now using the first equation of motion, V is equals to U plus AT and time will be the V minus U upon A. Put this value in equation. Above equation. So we find that half V plus U and the value of time is V minus U upon A is equals to S. So V plus U and V minus U gives V square minus U square upon 2A is equals to S, and finally we get the value of V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, and this is the third equation of motion or the derivation of third equation of motion by using the graphical method. तो बहुत सिंपल है. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है, which is equals to the CB upon EB. तो हमारी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बन जाती है. सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन में हमें दोनों का अलग अलग इंडिविजुअल एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. वी कैन फाइंड आउट द सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, एंड इन द थर्ड वन हम कंबाइंड एरिया को फाइंड आउट करते हैं, which looks like similar to the trapezium, and we can find the third equation of motion by the graphical method, which is equals to V square minus U square is equals to 2S. Thank you. To connect with your tutorial, please like and share my video.